You ever feel like you're just wasting your money? Yesterday, I was out to see a fella and his wife, and it was now going to be the third repair on his furnace. In this case, he was going to need the gas valve replaced, and that was going to be an expensive repair. And he said, Doug, I've had enough. I should have stopped a while ago, but the repairs seemed to be minor, so I went ahead and spent the money on it. So right now, if he had done the gas valve, he would have been into over $1,000 worth of repairs, and that money is going to now go towards replacing the furnace. So think about that yourself when you're trying to figure out what should you do. It is a trap when you start spending money on repairs and things are 15 years old or older, because nothing's ever going to be new again. It really is like an old car. Old cars don't get young again just because you put some new parts in. Now, unlike cars, if it's a classic and you love it, then of course you're going to spend money on it. But that's a different situation altogether. We're just talking about appliances, furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps. So try to keep from spending any more money than you have to, and replace things when they need to be replaced. So this gentleman, he's going to be very happy. His new furnace is going to be installed today, actually, I think. And that will prevent him spending money on it, probably for, at the very least, 10 years. More likely, if he services and maintains things the way most of our clients do, it'll be 20 years before he would have to look at this again. At his age, he said, Doug, I'm going to do this and enjoy it because I'm not looking at 20 years in this place. So that's all I have for you on that one. Stay comfortable, but please stay tuned.